Hello, beautiful day at Trash Metal Customs here. We're going to be lowering this guy 3 more inches up front, 2 more in the back, get a little bit more rake, and Patrick's should be on his way here. And let's get the tires off of it and get started. All right, truck is in the air. Tires are off. We are pulling the tie rod ends, and kingpin's got to come out, but I think it's all have so much weight I'm gonna pull the calipers off, shocks, and let's see. We're going to pull this bolt out and the one for the other one, and for the radius arms this bolt, and I think that's it, and it should come right out. So let's do it. Spindle is off. It's actually really easy. Pull this guy out, 3/4 drive socket takes that nut off with a cross pin, and there's the pin and all that good stuff, and the caps, top and bottom caps for the grease, with the grease fittings in them, are like 7/8, and slid right off. And make sure you get that bearing right there off the bottom. Wouldn't hurt to get another one. Anyways, let's do the other side. These are on tight. Ah. Yeah, get yourself a breaker bar. They're tight. That's an extremely long bolt. Pull that sucker out, and ta-da! There's one I-beam, all by its lonesome. Let's get the other one off. All right, beams are in. I pin in, added the anti-seize. Got the took about 3 pumps of grease on the bottom, 2 on top. Yeah. Let's see. JDM didn't send me there's supposed to be tie rod extenders that go on these to bring it up higher, but they weren't in the box, so I'm gonna have to wait on those. But let's get her lowered down and see how it sits. That's gonna be low. I've already cut 2 coils out, which because of the LS swap, everything sits higher. So, all right, here we go. Oh man, that looks sick. Let's get a little picture of this. It's kind of hard to see. Look at that. Oh yeah, she's tucking now. Woo! I'll get it outside and get a good picture of it. Alright, there she is. I went ahead and did the rear shackles because, you know, I totally forgot I was filming all this crap, and so there's the rear shackles. I didn't have to cut the support out of the body. I thought I was going to have to, but I didn't have to. I just had to pull my bolt out of here and push the body up so that I could, you know, get the top bolt out. But man, it sits pretty sweet. Sits pretty sweet. Nice and tucked in the front. Camber is good. And man, I wish I could get a full picture of this. Let's see. Yeah, it sits good. Perfect. Ugh. Barely tucked in the back, and it is perfecto up front. So I will get the tie rod ends here hopefully soon, and some shocks, and take it for a drive, see how she does. Should run pretty awesome. So Trash Metal Customs, love you all.